DECK stock, super interesting, and in this 1 minute video I'm covering technical analysis and price predictions, whether I'm buying or not. Decker's outdoor stock started melting, like 20% down is criminal. Actually quite a lot. I've done 35,000 videos, I've spent thousands of courses and mentors and documented everything, and this is ultimately how my chart looked like before. So since like last time I made a video, I was actually quite long. It's been a while. But if you're like really look at the lower time frame predictions, I was just looking to take things up, and the price kept delivering. And honestly, this like little retracement, it's not little, it's actually quite a bit. Doesn't scare me a bit at all, actually, at all. Ultimately, like from a weekly perspective, we're still coming from 443 bucks, but I do love this demand zone here, like this big zone here. So it's actually even like a good thing, because in this time, like this timing is the timing where I actually look to add on some longs. I'm not gonna like immediately start buying though, you know, so it's only really gonna be a buy if I see a proper double break. But other than that, yeah, I'm ready. I have my finger on the trigger and just waiting for the price to give me the roll. So stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It is a free newsletter.